explore the habits that made them into millionaires. This is Ash Cash Tash, where we take the complexity out of money matters. We are here to guide you through the ins and outs of wealth management with a smile. In this channel, we believe that navigating the world of finance shouldn't be dry and dull. That's why we bring you a delightful blend of professionalism and comedic relief to keep you engaged while we unravel the mysteries of personal finance. So grab your notepads, power up your calculators, and let's dive into the fascinating world of wealth creation. Together, we'll uncover strategies and insights that will have you confidently navigating the financial landscape. Today, in this video, we're going to explore the habits and strategies that millionaires have used to build wealth. While life is not solely about money, becoming a millionaire does have its appeal. There are approximately 50 million millionaires worldwide, which means we can learn from their experiences and apply similar strategies in our lives to achieve financial success. Interestingly, only around 12% of millionaires have inherited their wealth, indicating that anyone can build wealth over time. Instead of discussing the usual habits like reading, eating healthy, and exercising, which are commonly known, let's delve into some lesser-known habits that have personally helped me significantly increase my income and productivity. So, one of the first habits I adopted was journaling. Alright, my fabulous audience, buckle up for this mind-blowing revelation. Imagine a world where writing is not just for business wizards, but a universal remedy for life's ups and downs. It's time to unleash the power of your pen and embark on a journey of self-discovery and success. Why write, you ask? Well, my friends, it's like having a direct line to your dreams and goals. By putting your aspirations on paper, you gain clarity and direction like never before. And when life throws obstacles your way, fear not. Your past musings become a treasure map, guiding you back to your intended path. But guess what? Writing is not just about conquering business endeavors. It's a therapeutic escape from the shadows of depression and the challenges life throws at you. Grab that pen, pour out your soul, and witness the magic unfold. It's like a therapy session with yourself, igniting your spirit and setting you free. Believe me when I say, my comrades, that writing is a game changer. Personally, I embark on epic writing extravaganzas, where I unleash my wildest ideas and celebrate victories. It's a transformative journey that leads to personal growth and a celebration of triumphs. But hold on tight, my friends, because we're not done yet. Prepare yourselves for another dose of wisdom from the Billionaire Playbook. Get ready to adopt a habit straight from the minds of the ultra-successful. It's time to unveil the next chapter in our extraordinary tale. Focus on producing instead of consuming. The captivating realm of leisure. We've all experienced it, right? Whether it's unwinding after a long day, savoring the calm before the storm, or simply enjoying a lazy Sunday, many of us are enticed by the enticing world of content consumption. From streaming captivating shows to immersing ourselves in the magic of cinema, there's a certain charm to it all. And here's the beauty. Indulging in these pleasures isn't exclusive to the average person. Even the most accomplished individuals, including millionaires and billionaires, appreciate their fair share of films and TV shows. They too find solace and enjoyment in these forms of entertainment. But here's the secret sauce that sets these high achievers apart. When they stumble upon a precious chunk of free time, they embark on a different kind of adventure. Instead of falling into the content-consuming abyss, they unleash their inner productivity gurus and focus on building skills. Oh yes, my friends, they level up their game. It can be as simple as strumming a guitar or immersing themselves in a captivating book before bedtime. The key lies in dedicating their free time to acquiring new knowledge and skills. This not only enhances their own value, but also captivates the world around them. Who doesn't want to be a person of value, right? Now, let's not swing to the other extreme, my enthusiastic comrades. It's perfectly fine to enjoy the wonders of movies or indulge in binge-worthy TV shows occasionally. But here's the deal. Aim for balance. Prioritize personal growth. Embrace learning and focus on building those shiny skills. become a knowledge powerhouse, and witness the world marvel at your greatness. Now, let's dive into the treasure trove of wisdom crafted by the legendary Bill Gates. Brace yourselves for this unforgettable gem. Think weak. Bill Gates, the reigning champion of wealth, surpassing even Jeff Bezos in the never-ending race for the title of the world's richest man. With a staggering fortune of over $100 billion, he knows a thing or two about success. And here's a little secret from Bill's playbook. He takes a week each year to retreat to a secluded cabin, disconnecting from the world, immersing himself in deep contemplation and devouring books about life and ideas. Why, you ask? Well, my friends, it's all about taking a step back. In the midst of chasing goals and personal growth, sometimes we need to lift our heads from the grindstone and ask ourselves, am I heading in the right direction? This is where the likes of Gary Vaynerchuk come in, reminding us that while hard work is essential, we must also strategize and find more efficient ways to achieve our tasks. So how does one attain this clarity? It's all about embracing moments of mindfulness, allowing thoughts to settle like a calm pond. Sometimes it means engaging in quiet reflection, where the mind can find its clarity amidst the chaos of daily life. This practice of creating space and seeking stillness has become my new source of inspiration. And I must say, it has truly transformed my approach to productivity. Now, let's dive into the fourth mighty habit, a personal revelation that has recently transformed my life. Brace yourself for this revelation. Block scheduling and filling out a calendar religiously. Listen up, folks, I've got a game changer for you. For years, I struggled to balance all the tasks and responsibilities buzzing around in my head. But fear not, for I have discovered the ultimate weapon, the almighty calendar. It's simple, really. I whip out my trusty phone, fire up Google Calendar, and fill it to the brim with every single thing I need to do for the day. No more forgotten Saturday parties or scattered thoughts. It's a lifesaver, my friends, and you should definitely give it a go. Now, even if you're not running a business or conquering the stock market, having a calendar will work wonders. You'll forget fewer engagements. Your mind won't be pulled in 5 different directions simultaneously. Trust me, keeping a calendar is the bee's knees. Personally, I used to rock a physical wall calendar, but now I've shifted to the digital realm, syncing it with my phone and computer for seamless access wherever I go. Now, hold on tight, because here's where things get serious. Legends like Bill Gates and Elon Musk take scheduling to a whole new level, blocking their days into 5-minute increments. Talk about productivity powerhouses. Now, I'm not saying you have to go to that extreme, but having some semblance of routine in your life works wonders. Wake up time, workout time, family time. Having it all fixed in your calendar brings order to the chaos. No, you don't need to schedule your bathroom breaks, but a routine will keep you on track. You see, my friends, most people find themselves running in circles, attempting to be productive, but constantly derailed by unforeseen tasks and distractions. They start working, then it's suddenly dinner time, followed by dishes, trash duty, and a never-ending list of interruptions. Before they know it, their goals and skills take a backseat. But fear not, by scheduling everything out, you reclaim control over your productivity. It's a game changer, no doubt about it. And now, my friends, we've reached the grand finale. The last habit I want to share with you today. Brace yourselves for this nugget of wisdom. Networking. Oh, networking, my friends, a topic I brushed off for far too long. I used to think, why bother hobnobbing with millionaires or financially successful folks? I can make it on my own. But let me drop some truth bombs on you. You are indeed the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. I've mentioned this before, but it's truly life-altering to realize that your close associates shape your destiny. If you hang out with drug addicts, you might find yourself in a sticky situation too. Now, that's not always the case. But here's the point. When you surround yourself with financially successful individuals, the chances of your own financial success skyrocket. Money talks, my friends. Imagine this scenario. You're chilling at a bar with a group of successful folks. What's on the menu? Success, baby. They'll be discussing their triumphs, hyping each other up, and sharing invaluable insights. It's like a motivational power-up session. I've experienced it firsthand. And trust me, it works like magic. So, instead of hanging out with trust fund babies who didn't work for their fortunes, I choose to surround myself with driven individuals who've paved their own paths to success. It's all about connecting with self-made achievers, my friends. That's where the real value lies. Now, how can you make this happen? Easy peasy. Start by seeking out real estate investors in your town. Strike up conversations, dive into their journeys, and learn from their experiences. If there's a successful family member, tap into their wisdom. Ask if they can mentor you or share their secrets. You can even hop onto LinkedIn or slide into the DMs of successful folks on Instagram. Find out what makes them tick. Ask for tips and expand your network. Just a word of caution, my friends, be wary of paying someone to be your mentor. That's a slippery slope you want to avoid. Trust me on this one. And that wraps up another informative yet entertaining session with us. We hope you've enjoyed this video as much as we enjoyed bringing it to you. Remember, as you embark on your financial journey, it's important to strike a balance between seriousness and a healthy sense of humor. By staying informed and having a few laughs along the way, you'll set yourself up for long-term financial success. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss a moment of financial advice. We're committed to providing you with valuable insights that will make your financial journey a more enjoyable one. Connect with us in the comment section below. We love hearing from our dedicated viewers, and we'll be there to answer your questions and engage in a little friendly banter. After all, finance doesn't have to be all seriousness. Until our next episode, keep honing your financial skills with a smile, because laughter and financial prosperity go hand in hand. Wishing you financial success.